We got two different knives we're going to be checking out in this video. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we've got a knife from Kaiser. We got one from Vosteed, two of the brands that I work with the most here in the channel. Looks like we're having a mid-month release here from Kaiser and a new suite release from Vosteed. Of course, we'll have links to all these down below in the description and the pinned comments so you guys can check them out. Prices, availability, and variants. And without further ado, let's jump right in. We've got that's a sweet looking one. We got the knife right there. We got additional hardware, which is always welcome. We got a sticker, we got a wiping cloth, and some paperwork. This one's going to be part of Kaiser's Vanguard series. We're looking at a sheepdog variant here under 3 inches, 3.75 to be exact. Sheepdog knives design, AEBL steel with micarta and vortex pattern handle. It is going to be a button liner lock. I mean, that's just the sweet sauce all around. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a smaller version of the Sheepdog. We have no back flipper on this one. It looks like it's going to be a thumb stud only. No opening hole, just thumb studs. Sometimes they do variants with opening holes. And we got the one thing that really jumps at me right off the bat is the micarta here. I mean, look at this thing. Orange with blues, right? In case you don't know, orange and blue are complementary colors. They go well together. So that is nice. And it's got a very sort of like ripple pattern to it, which I absolutely like. So that's looking good. We do have exposed liners, sandwich construction with 2 standoffs, deep pocket carry clip, non-reversible for some reason. I'm not sure why. It should be reversible if you ask me. And of course, it's going to be a good old button operated liner lock. That's just what the doctor ordered right there. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Bam, right there is the blade, ladies and gentlemen. Holy macaroni, take a look. Satin finish on the AEBL steel with the flat grind, sheep's foot blade, looking nice. Nice. I'm going to set it down here. You guys can get a closer look. Again, it's going to be kind of like a medium-sized knife with an under 3-inch blade. That should be good. It's depending on your local laws. Some people might be limited to carrying only under 3-inch knives, and this one's definitely going to be able to check that box. Comes with a little extra saliva there from yours truly. How about that? But the one thing that the Sheepdog always has going for it, which I like a lot, is the ergos, man. Check this out. Even with this smaller form factor, I'm able to get a full 4-finger grip with my average size hands. You can also forward choke right here, get a better grip, right, for more control cuts. It's going to be a great utilitarian blade for draw cuts, utility cuts. Got a little bit of belly, but not too much. So that's looking good there. For sure, good plunge grind situation about right there where my nail is. Even got a little bit of jimping down here in the sort of finger choil area. And we have internal milling too for weight reduction, just what you would expect. Now with the button operated liner lock, I mean, this is very, very sweet. I know we've talked about it a lot here on the channel, kind of like a compression lock from Spyderco, but with the button, so definitely a great recipe. Obviously stronger than a original plunge lock button lock. So we got the thumb stud deployment there. We got the reverse flick. Then we can do deployment with the actual button itself. That is sweet also. So yeah, looking at least 3 different deployment options. A good, I want to say iconic design from Kaiser by now, right? Kaiser just has been killing it here. This is one of the OG true designs that really has stood the test of time. I know that there's the Sheepdog, there's the Bulldog. Those are absolutely 2 of my favorite sort of sheep's foot geometry style knives from Kaiser, and very iconic on their own. So yeah, absolutely another great banger here from Kaiser with a new colorway, looking really, really good. Again, mid-March 2026 drop. I'll have this one linked down below. But let's go ahead and check out what's next, right? What is Vosteed up to now? I hear through the grapevine that this one is a collaboration with one of your favorite knife YouTubers. But let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we are working with. Bada bing, bada boom. You probably have heard of a channel here on YouTube called Stassa23 Knife Therapy. And that's your guy right here. This is a collaboration with Nick from Stassa23. Ooh, baby, it's looking good so far. We got some paperwork, a sticker, some wiping cloth, and more paperwork. But I don't know why the pictures maybe didn't do it justice. I pictured it being a little bit smaller, and I am pleasantly surprised. There's actually pretty much a borderline medium-sized knife here. So that's right off the bat looking good. I'm pleasantly surprised. There we go. That's the clip. In and out. Okay, that's solid. We'll come back to that in a moment. But let's check out the blade here. Ooh, baby. All right, this one's called the Inferno. And in case you don't know, Nick is doing a little bit of a theme going on with all his different knife designs. From what I know, he was in a very bad plane accident and he got burned about 80+% of his body. He was disabled and decided to start a YouTube channel. And he's been making content for a long, long time. has reviewed thousands of knives, and even though he's not a knife designer, you know, as he says himself, he definitely knows what he wants in a knife, right? And this one here is kind of like the evolution of his first design, which was the Fireball with Devo knives. You probably have seen that one here and there. Absolutely beautiful design. I can't get enough of it. I love me a good sheep's foot design all day, every day. And this is his first design as a fixed blade, from what I understand. And you want to kind of keep with that theme of fire, right? Fireball, Inferno, which I think is a pretty cool theme, by the way. It's got a flat grind, stone wash finish on this one. We're looking at 14C 28N steel. It's very nice micarta on this one. They have this kind, and they have the blue and gray one as well. So 2 micarta options, and then there's a black G10 option available as well. We got a lanyard solution back here, right? A little lanyard ring back there. TA hardware on one side, captive on the other. Full tan construction throughout, which is nice. Good little plunge grind situation there, right? And a pretty tall flat grind. And then as far as the ergos go, check this out. Full 4-finger grip with my average size hands, right? This is kind of like a finger guard right here. You are locked and loaded, good to go. A little bit more fine jimping in this zone right here for your thumb, and a little bit more spread out, strategical, tactical jimping here towards the front. So whether you're doing some tip work, doing a little bit of grip like that, or maybe you want to put your thumb a little further up on the blade, right? Depending on what type of cut you're doing, whatever the case may be. Right, you should be good to go, man. Come on. It's feeling pretty good here. Reverse grip. That feels nice. Do a little gas station fighting grip or a little Pakal grip. All right, those all feel pretty good. Right, it's got this sort of like oval shape towards the back here. And then it might be a little bit harder to see, but it has like a little bit of a ripple here. Maybe it's a little bit easier to see on the G10 version, but there we go. If I turn it at an angle, you can see, right, this little ripple effect there. That absolutely adds to the grip. It's the same thing on both sides. If I can show you, I'm just trying to find the right angle. There it is. Kind of like a wavy pattern on both sides. And that absolutely makes it be even grippier, right? The micarta is already doing a good job. It's a great handle material, and Vosteed has been putting this micarta and that blue and gray one on a lot of their models recently. So if you're looking for matching gear, that's a good option to go with. We have a pretty lengthy blade here. I'll probably pop some dimensions on screen so you guys can see what the overall dimensions on this one are all about. And as far as the sheath here, right, got this sheath from Vosteed, drain hole right here at the bottom, has this SOAR, the SOAR clip. And the good thing about this one is it actually turns 360 degrees. So if you want to do a little vertical carry, you're good to go. If you want to do a little scout carry, you're good to go as well. This one's especially good with, like, if you have a belt, right, on your jean, your pants, what have you. This one's pretty solid. Or, I mean, you could pretty much do your own if you wanted to. It looks like there are multiple adjustment points. If you go with a fixed hole and then these oval shaped little areas, allows for you to fit a variety, right, of significant variety of different pocket clips. If you want to go OT clip or your favorite aftermarket clip, you absolutely can do that, no problem. Got a little section right here to push, right, the sheath away on the deployment, and there is, yeah, absolutely no rattle right there, which is nice. I got a satisfying click there. That blade is not going anywhere. And once you're ready to go and get some work done, this one's going to be an absolute slicer. And you have this little belly here at the front. So if you need to do like tabletop cutting or some slicing, or even cut some specific items with the tip itself, right, you can do that, no problem with this one, right? You're going to be all right. Everyone's favorite budget steel, 14C 28N, right? Can't go wrong with this one. And it's coming in at a pretty sweet, affordable price. So that's just a cherry on top. So I'll have this one linked down below. They just dropped a few days ago on March 13th. I just got it today, so I'm making the video ASAP. So you guys can check it out and you know, pick one up if you're interested. It helps support Nick from Stassa 23 Knife Therapy, right? Absolutely a cool dude. And overall, I mean, it looks like a very, very banging, very awesome design right there. And overall, I mean, it's looking like a pretty sweet design for a fixed blade. I mean, sign me up. Even the cutting path is pretty significant, right? To say the least. The blade to handle ratio, come on. Look at this thing, right? That is an absolutely beautiful looking fixed blade. For sure, I like that it has a very nice and low tip. So it's kind of like a drop point, but very low, where it could be, you know, kind of gives you warny vibes, but not quite. So nice little warny drop point blend. Leaf shape, maybe spider coat, right? You threw a hole in there. If you threw a circle right there and you told me that's a spider coat, I'd be like, okay, that's, you know, I can see it. Kind of got the little dead bird looking aesthetics in a way, but that is truly unique in its own right. And I got to give credit here to Nick for knocking it out of the park, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one, as well as the new Sheepdog 275. Again, this one being a variant here from mid-March 2026. Which one stood out to you the most? What do you like about them? What do you love about them? Is there anything you dislike about them? Let me know. All feedback is welcome. Let's hang out in the comment section down below. And there are links for these in the pinned comments and the description if you guys want to pick them up. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you and at zero extra cost. Shout out to Kaiser and Vosteed for sending these in for me to check out and share with you guys. And shout out to my Patreon supporters and channel members for supporting what I do here. You guys are truly awesome. Thank you all so much. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.